So what have Vidhi ji, welcome. We haven't met before, so couple of lines about yourself, if you care to share who you are, what you do, what brings you here, what
Uh,
would you like to have happen out of this interaction, this presence.
Thanks to Nupur, I came to know about you and your group and this thing happening. And I don't know. I'm nobody. I'm just here to learn and grow and understand oneself and be, you know, make my life meaningful in whatever way I want. I can. Like that's it.
Sure. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Great,
As a
great, great.
human being, if you want to know, then I'm like I'm into business development, but I'm just out now. COVID situation here, so nothing is happening. I have one husband, I have one son, and I'm happy, married,
Okay,
happy
okay.
with and connected to beautiful souls around me, like beautiful people around me. I'm lucky to be in with to meet you guys. Lucky.
Wonderful, wonderful,
And
wonderful.
simply, Vidhi is
Great.
a part of our Gita session.
Yeah.
She is a very, very ardent part of our
Acha.
Gita Jika session.
Okay,
There
okay,
are a
great.
few people who come every day. She's one of them. And another thing about her is that she is also a lot into Gyan Yoga like you. So
Okay.
I said that you are going to have a ball of a time over here. So might as well come.
Yeah, I'm really
Right,
feeling
right.
blessed. Feeling blessed.
Sure. The secret of ज्ञान योग is to इतना ज्ञान हो जाए कि हमें पता लगे कि हमें कुछ भी ज्ञान नहीं है. तो वहां तक पहुंचना है. तो बट वो रास्ते में बहुत कुछ मिल जाता है. रास्ते में वो खोजते खोजते बहुत कुछ मिल जाता है.
Yeah, yeah.
सो व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग इज कि ये जो सिचुएशन है, एक एक्चुअली एक मौका है कि हम we can connect with people at an even deeper level, right? So जो आपस में actually physically मिलते हैं, जितने intensity से या जितनी focus से, जितने concentration से मिलते थे, उससे ज़्यादा concentration, ज़्यादा focus के साथ हम मिल रहे हैं आजकल. Like I know that it was my wife's birth, and we had a Zoom party with family and friends, and we literally spent an hour and a half focused attention to everybody, what everyone was saying, क्या हो रहा है, क्या चल रहा है, क्या जो बोल रहे थे. We were like really there. It was 2 hours or 1.5 hours, which just was such an intense interaction that it felt very, very satisfying. Compared to आप घंटे बैठ जाओ, but you are so scattered and you're busy with the food and busy with this and busy with that. Yeah, there was nothing in the way. Food you are going to manage on your own after the party is over, and nobody has to run around doing all that. So we were very much together. So Hiraji, that's what I was coming to, is that even though challenges hai ye COVID situation mein, that we are not together in that way, in the physical way, but maybe I don't know if you are teaching children or adults or what, but whoever is saying, we are frustrated with nothing, you may be able to bring this aspect out,
I
that
agree
it's
to what
actually
you're
an
saying.
opportunity to be.
I agree to what you're saying. Hello.
Is he frozen?
Okay, we are back. Can you hear me? सुनाई दे रहा है? Hello, can you hear?
Yes,
Wow.
very well, very well.
Yes, we can.
This internet is quite unstable, I think, today.
Can you hear us?
It's gone again. पुरुषोत्तम जी आपका इंटरनेट यहाँ ट्रांसफर हो गया आज.
How are you, Vidhi?
You know what? I was supposed to do that. I thought कि जब तक ये I'll say hi to Master Jennifer. I'll say hi to everybody. Good to see you all. Like
Yeah.
अभी तो we are like अभी इंटरनेट के सहारे हैं और nothing.
नहीं, इंटरनेट के सहारे नहीं है हम।
अरे बाबा मतलब टू कनेक्ट टू ईच अदर, घर से बाहर निकल नहीं पा रहे।
कोशिश करके देखो, गलती से भी नहीं बोलना। अभी तो हमने बोला हम एक दूसरे के सहारे हैं, तो भगवान ने हमें ऐसे दिखा दिया समय। अभी इंटरनेट के सहारे बोलेंगे तो इंटरनेट में निकल के फिर वो दूसरा ही सहारा आना पड़ेगा।
I know, yeah, I know. I really wish we had a Zoom call with the Almighty. Let's have a one-to-one call with him.
Vidhi, really, we do
नहीं,
have a Zoom call with him every moment. Yeah.
वैसे भी हो रहा है, मतलब internally हो रहा है. But I'm just saying it would be fun. Imagining him coming on the Zoom call and connecting to all, like, you know. Visualization, यार, ऐसे ही.
Reminds me. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes,
Can
sir.
you hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
Can you hear me? हाँ नहीं, so Zoom call with the divine पे से एक जोक याद आ गया which I can share with you all. So एक बंदा था, बोल रहा है मुझे डिवाइन के साथ बात करना है at any cost. So I will go, leave no stone unturned to talk to divine. पोप से मिले और पोप को बोलते हैं कि your holiness, I know you are the one who are connected to divine, so please put me through. I would love to talk to the divine one on one. I want to talk to the divine right now one on one. He said, no problem at all, son. Here is this phone, and there was a red phone next to him. He said, just pick up the phone and you will be talking directly to divine. So he says, oh, that's wonderful news. How nice. He said, but there's only one thing I have to tell you. It will cost you $25 a minute. So banda कहता है कि, well, $25 a minute, okay, it sounds high, but divine से बात करने को मिलेगी direct यार, one on one. So no problem. So he picks up the phone and has this long chat and is very happy after 10-15 minutes of talking, asking lots of questions, praying, wishing, all that. He hangs up. He says, wow, this was great. So then he says, but I have वहाँ पे जो पीर है उसको बात करनी है डिवाइन से वन ऑन वन, अल्लाह से बात करा, जीसस से तो मैं बात करके आया हूँ, अल्लाह से भी बात करनी है. प्रॉब्लम, हम आप अभी बात कर सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. ये रहा, ये लाल फोन है, उठाइए और बात कीजिए जितनी चाहते. ऐसा ही हुआ था वहां पे भी. बोल रहा है कि लेकिन एक शर्त है कि ये कॉल $25 a minute पड़ेगा. नो प्रॉब्लम, अल्लाह से बात करने को मिलेगी. 25 फोन पे बात कर लेता है, बहुत खुश हो जाता है, रखता है फोन. फिर बोलता है अभी तो बस शिव जी रह गए, शिव जी से बात करनी है. तो हिमालय पे चले गए और वहां पे जो शिव जी का मंदिर था वहां पे गए और बोले कि देखिए मैं शिव जी से बात करना चाहता हूँ. तो वहां जो पंडित है वो बोलता है हाँ कोई बात नहीं, ये लीजिए, ये लाल फोन यहाँ तैयार है, आप उठाइए और जितनी मर्जी बात कीजिए. बोलते हैं कि लेकिन एक शर्त है. शर्त तो पता है आपको अब क्या है. बोलता है नहीं, ये शर्त है कि ये जो कॉल है वो 25 पैसे लगेंगे हर मिनट के. सिर्फ 25 पैसे? मैं तो यार दुनिया भर घूम के आया हूँ, हर जगह $25 लग रहे हैं मिनट के, यहाँ 25 पैसे से. तो यहाँ शिव जी का तो यहाँ से लोकल कॉल है. इसीलिए सो म्यूट पे हंस रहे हैं सारे. मेरे को तो हंसी सुनाई नहीं दे रही, लेकिन मैं चेहरे से सुन रहा हूँ कि लोग हंस रहे होंगे. और कुछ लोगों के वीडियो ऑडियो सारे बंद है, तो मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि ये जोक हाँ बोलिए।
इनफैक्ट मास्क में अभी ऐसा हो रहा है ना कि मास्क में भी कांट स्माइल, सिर्फ आंखें बताती है कि
आंखें
स्माइल
बता
करो।
रही है कि हाँ, या पर मैंने और एक बात देखी है मास्क के बारे में कि एवरीवन लुक सो ब्यूटीफुल यार। जिसको भी देखो स्ट्रीट पे मास्क, स्पेशली द women. I don't know. I'm speaking women like this, and they all look. Why is it like this? And I think, everyone's eyes are beautiful. Everyone has beautiful eyes. तो यहाँ तो सिर्फ आंखें देख रहे हैं, यहाँ से फिर थोड़ा सा कुछ ना कुछ हो जाता है, कुछ गड़बड़, बट आंखें तो सारों की ये चमक, और क्या beautiful eyes everyone has, and you see them and you go, wow, this person is so beautiful. I don't know if you notice that about guys. I don't know, you ladies can say. Handsome guy. I don't know what he really looks like, but he's really handsome.
I'll observe it next time.
Next time हमारे लिए ये सब natural होता है for guys.
आपने जैसे बोला ना कि this is a moment, this is a time where you go beyond the physical
Correct.
and go into even looking at or just feeling that person in his
Correct.
thoughts as how you feel. So
Correct.
the concept of telepathy, the concept
Correct.
of teleporting hasn't come in as yet, but telepathy is surely there where we are now connecting.
Correct.
When we just lost
Correct.
you, that time Vidhi was saying, thank God that अभी तो हम इंटरनेट के ही भरोसे हैं. We are on,
हाँ.
So I said, don't say that. क्योंकि इंटरनेट भी अभी पता चला तो भगवान ने अभी जो चीज के हम भरोसे रहेंगे ना, भगवान एक एक करके सारा
एक एक
निकालता
करके
जाएगा
सारा निकाल,
और बोलेगा बेटा अपने भरोसे रहे और किसके
अपने
भरोसे
भरोसे
रहने
रहे,
में
अपने,
गलत थी.
exactly.
आत्मनिर्भर.
आत्मनिर्भर दुनिया सारी. Exactly. We are moving towards that. अपने भरोसे पे रहना है. Exactly. और ये बढ़ते जाएगा, that people will be able to communicate with each
And
other.
it's so beautiful, Sanjeevji, that mask also when a person is put, like you just mentioned, from just thinking that you look
हाँ.
into an eyes and you know the person. You don't need to
Correct.
see anything else.
Anything else? Yeah. The windows to the soul, I think, are the eyes. The eyes speak volumes, and they really communicate, and it's wonderful. So lots of advantages of all this COVID situation. I think जो हमें नहीं पता था, वो बहुत सारी चीजें पता लग गई. जो नहीं अनुभव किया था, वो अनुभव करने का मौका मिल रहा है. समय ही समय है. And holidays are like, every day is just one big holiday, and the value of everything is more and more and more. You look back and say, wow, just going to a restaurant, which seems like kitni baar jate the, and it was no big deal, but now just going to a restaurant and sitting down at a table with friends seems like a wow, heaven. स्वर्ग लग रहा है अभी कि स्वर्ग में पहुंच जाएंगे अगर ऐसा हुआ तो. So we are learning the value of things. So it's everything is that way. So anyone has any?
Yeah,
हाँ,
I
विधि
like to
बोलिए.
say. नहीं, just अभी हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे ना, जस्ट एक थॉट ऐसे क्रॉस हुआ कि ये मास्क के वजह से इट्स लाइक वन थिंग इज दैट कि टॉक लेस एंड ऑब्जर्व मोर,
Yeah.
फील मोर,
Yeah. Correct.
सो ये
That's the
ऑटोमेटिकली ऐसा
message.
हो गया कि यार नाउ प्लीज कंट्रोल, मतलब ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला, वेस्ट ऑफ
कम
एनर्जी.
करो.
हाँ, जस्ट बी among
Just be.
everybody, just
Just
feel
be.
everybody, just connect to everybody.
Connect with everybody.
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. Great. So the whole journey जो है ये, the journey is to understand who we really are. Who am I really? हमारी जो स्थिति है is of, we have been serving ourselves, this imaginary self. Serving this imaginary self is how we have spent our life, catering to all the needs and whims and fancies of this imaginary self. So there's this story that I've heard. Story matlab ek sort of an anecdote. कि this servant who has been serving his master all his life, very, very diligently, every morning, every afternoon, every evening, late in the night, he's working, making sure every wish of his master is fulfilled. And one rare day when he gets a little holiday, he goes to a bar in the village, and a friend of his asks him, "Ye jo, this master that you are serving so working so hard serving this master, वो है कैसा? कौन है ये? क्या ये मास्टर तुम्हारा?" वो सोच में पड़ जाता है, अरे यार मैंने तो ये सोचा ही नहीं। चलो मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलूंगा तब तक मैं देख के बताऊंगा ये कैसा है बंदा। I'll find out. And he goes home, and for the first time he dares to knock on the door and look inside. कि ये मास्टर जिसके मैं कपड़े धोता हूँ, जिसकी मैं खाना बनाता हूँ, जिसके शूज पॉलिश करता हूँ, जिसके लिए सारा कुछ मेरा जो ये मेरा ये प्रयास है, वो है क्या, है कौन? And he opens the door and looks inside. तो कोई नजर ही नहीं आ रहा है। अरे कहीं तो होगा ये बंदा, मैं तो इतने साल यहाँ पे इतनी कुछ मेहनत कर रहा हूँ, ये है कहाँ? And he looks all over and shouts his name, still no answer, looks in everywhere, cannot find this master that he's been serving. So, and now what? Now what does he do? So apni jo, we need to ask ourselves the same question कि मैं ये जो सर्व कर रहा हूँ वो कौन है, जिसकी, on whose behalf am I speaking, on whose behalf am I working, on whose behalf am I making all this whatever struggles in life, on whose behalf? And if we look, then we knock on the door, acha kaun hai idhar? And you ask yourself the question, am I talking about this body? Is this the body that I'm serving? Is this body my master? And you find that the body ko to khud ka koi, there is no energy, there is no reality to this body on its own. On its own to kuch hai hi nahi hai. You know, the eyes looking or the eyes getting a visual stimulus does not create vision. So the eyes are simply just there. They are not the ones. They are not the master. They are not the ones who are making all these demands. So it's not the body. So then who is it? Acha, maybe it's this name. ये नाम जो है मेरा, विधि या पुरुषोत्तम or संजीव, श्री प्रभा, क्या ये नाम जो है, is that the boss? Is that the master I've been serving? And you look for this name and you find, what is this name? It's just a label that has been given to me by my parents, and it's written on my birth certificate, and it's written on my certificates and on my results. I don't find this Sanjeev anywhere. Kahan hai? Kaun hai? Kya hai? So it's not this name. It's not this body. Is it are these, okay, what is it then? Beliefs? Okay, then I ask myself, acha, oh, I'm serving my beliefs. तो अच्छा कौन है आप? बिलीव भैया आप अपने आप को कौन है आप? बिलीफ। तो बिलीफ कहेगा कि अच्छा कौन सी वाली बिलीफ भैया? कल वाली, आज वाली, परसों वाली, कल वाली, टुमारो, यस्टरडेज, विच बिलीफ? किस बिलीफ को लाऊं मैं सामने आपका मास्टर बना के? एंड अगेन यू आर सरप्राइज्ड दैट अरे ये तो आता है जाता है बंदा है, मैं तो इतने साल एक ही मास्टर को सर्व कर रहा हूँ, ये बिलीव तो आई है गई है। yesterday you were believing in communism, today you are believing in democracy, tomorrow you are Republican, and day after tomorrow you are BJP, third day you are into this and that. ये तो बिलीव नहीं है, तो फिर कौन है? अच्छा थॉट्स। तो थॉट्स तो बोल रहे हैं अच्छा थॉट, अच्छा थॉट को मैं सर्व कर रहा हूँ क्या? तो थॉट को भी बारीकी से टटोल के देखा कि भैया थॉट आप है क्या मास्टर हमारे? तो थॉट बोल रहा है कौन सा वाला थॉट? अभी करंट थॉट जो है वो क्या? करंट थॉट अभी है, कल दूसरा था, आज दूसरा है, वो आता है जाता है, ये तो इसका तो कोई ठिकाना ही नहीं है, ये भी नहीं हो सकता। और तो फिर क्या, यादें, जो मेमोरीज है वो क्या, कलेक्शन ऑफ मेमोरीज की चाइल्डहुड से जो अभी तक है वो, तो वो तो चेंज होते जा रही है, बढ़ती जा रही है, कुछ चीज भूल जा रहे हैं हम, कुछ याद रखते हैं, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा। सो इट्स नॉट हिज मेमोरीज. So then who is this master that I've been serving all these years, who wanted let's say a car, and I got the car and I worked hard to get the car, who wanted a house and I worked hard to get the house, who wanted this and that and the other and the other, and I've been serving this, and I cannot find that anywhere, and who is left? So suddenly you find that you have been serving a non-existent imaginary master all your life. All our life we have been serving this imaginary something, this self, this made up story, which has no reality, which has no basis in fact, which falls apart, like an illusion in the desert as you come closer. Looks like water and you come closer, pani pani kidhar hai, kidhar hai, kidhar hai, pani hai hi nahi. So you come close to yourself and really look, and you say, oh, I'm serving I. Who is this I? I'm serving I. So who is it? Is I the body? No. Is I the thoughts? No. Is I the beliefs? No. Is I the memories? No. Is I the eyes, nose? No, no, no. And you're left with, then who am I serving? Who is this I on whose behalf I've been operating? So that's when you come to this point of understanding ki what is that I really? Who is that I which has always been present, which is always there, which never has changed? Which is that I? And what does that I really want? What does that I which you really are want? So the journey is to shift our energies, to shift our focus, to shift our direction from this imaginary non-existent self to the true self, and find out what does that true self want. And to find out what this true self wants, we need to know what are its characteristics, what does it look like, what does it feel like, what is it made up of, what are its qualities. Because if we know its qualities, then we can automatically know how to serve that. So it's about taking that journey, removing all these zeros that we have made up our life out of, the zeros behind the one, the zeros which think they are adding value, but don't know that without that one standing there in the front of that zeros, all the zeros that you put behind it amount to nothing. So some of you are new to this group, you'll notice the passcode, the zeros and then a one. So the whole journey is to take away all these zeros that make up our life, which are actually behind the one, which are after the one, and which think that they are the ones that are adding value. Whether it's my, activity, my thoughts, my beliefs, my opinions, my likes, my dislikes, all those things which are really zeros, which think they are you and which think that they are the ones who are adding value, without remembering that without that one in front of them, they mean nothing. So the whole journey is to take all these zeros and realize and look at them and find that they are nothing. That imaginary master called opinions, the imaginary master called thoughts, imaginary master called feelings. By the way, I forgot a big one. The big master that we serve is feelings. I don't feel this, so I'm going to do this. I feel this, so I'm going to do that. So you now we are serving this master called feelings, and you say, oh, are you the really the one? Who are you? What are you? Where are you? And the minute you try to see what it is, it's not there. You don't find it anywhere. Without that, without the consciousness that is feeling that feeling, the feeling on its own has no meaning, is completely just as good as non-existent. So we find that the feeling doesn't mean anything. It is that one which is feeling those feelings is the one who's really the one who's where the importance is. Just as the one before the zeros is the one which is giving values to all those zeros. It's not the feelings, but the feeler, the experiencer, the thinker uh, is where the value is. And that's the one that is really who you are. When you say I, it is that one. So the journey or the adventure becomes take all these zeros, see all these zeros mean nothing, and now re-enter the world. Re-enter the world with your zeros again. It is not about disappearing from the world. It's not about dropping the world. It's not about ignoring the world of beauty, of colors, of life, of creation, of mountains and rivers and poetry and song. It's not about leaving those behind. All those zeros are there, but now bring them back into the universe, bring them back into the world, but place them before the one. Knowing that they are, and you can add as many zeros as you want, but now you are aware that all these zeros are nothing but the one. The value is only of the one. The one that you're serving is the one. All these zeros are at the service of the one. Whether it's poetry or song or dance or art or music or love or family or cooking or drinking, eating, sleeping. And by the way, sleeping also, I'm just realizing these days that sleeping, which is something we have ignored for so long as a state of, we need the sleep, so we kind of have to do it, so we do it. But if you really look at sleep, this is the pure self, the pure consciousness. Every single day, we drop all those zeros. What do we do when we go to bed? We drop our name, we drop our degrees, we drop our body, we drop our thoughts, we drop our feelings. We are already doing that every single day. We drop all those zeros and we are in the one. So now the journey and the adventure is how to do that while we are awake. So know how to do that even in the awake state, dropping all these zeros and seeing them, they are zeros, 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 keeping on continuously dropping and putting them in front of the one, just moving them to the one, moving them to the one, so that whatever you're doing, Purushottamji is a doctor, so serving your patients as a zero, serving the one, serving the children that you heal as, that it is the one that is healing, and I am merely putting all my zeros of knowledge of medical field, etc., before the one. And then that entire experience becomes one of simply infinite joy, which is the quality of the one. The quality of the one becomes the quality of the zeros. When you put the ones after the zero, the qualities of the zeros leak into the qualities of the one. You put the zeros in front, now the qualities of the one permeate the zeros. And what are the qualities of one? Love, space, okayness, acceptance, beauty, truth, awareness, causelessness, choicelessness. These are all obvious qualities. I mean, even if you pause for 1 minute and look at, when you drop all of that, what do we feel? What do we feel about this space that the one is? It does not argue or reject anything. All experiences are welcome. All experiences, no matter pleasant, unpleasant, COVID, non-COVID, distancing, closeness, all welcome with open arms, with love. And those qualities become part of all the zeros that we strew. So acceptance, bringing acceptance and love into something as mundane as sweeping the floor or making dinner, that's when the fun that's when the adventure, that's when the journey is a miracle. It's a joy. Um, so that's the full circle. Most lot of people stop at halfway, where I am not that, I am the one, and I am that. Wonderful. Now what about all this rest of the world, of the rest of the universe? How about these senses? How about this eye, this vision, this hearing, this ability to move, the ability to talk? Should we just let it just waste away? And in doing so, we can miss out on all that life has to offer. So instead, if we bring all of it back, then the whole of the universe, every moment becomes this great adventure into the one. Um, Taking the zeros out from behind after the one is the journey towards God. Placing the zeros before the ones and operating in that way is the journey in God. So we don't merely want to move towards divine. It's time to reclaim our position as divine. It's time to reclaim our true place in the universe as divine. And after having done that, moving in God, not towards God, but in God. And what do we have to do to move in God? Nothing in particular, because all is that at that stage. When you understand that all is that, there's nothing in particular कि आप सेवा करेंगे तो ही आप डिवाइन में है, या आप ये ये चालीसा पढ़ेंगे या जो भी है तो ही आप डिवाइन में है. Not necessarily. Nothing wrong. We can do that also. Absolutely fine. And it's a beautiful expression. But no matter what you are doing, any zero counts. Any zero counts, because all these zeros know that what is true is the one. So, being an educationist or being a physiotherapist or an administrator or a healer, doctor, whatever you are, that does not need to change. There is nothing specifically special that this is only divine, this is only great, I have to do this to walk in God. When everything appears and is known as God, that's when the true freedom and that the outpouring of walking and being in God can happen. So let us all move from towards God. We've been moving towards God long enough. All our life we have been searching for the divine. All our life, I'm sure if you are here, there's no way you are somebody who is not on this path and not on this journey. The very fact that you are here with us tells me that you are in that. And perhaps you are in already in also. I'm not saying you're not. But if you are only moving towards God, it's time to reclaim that position and move in God. Let every word of yours be in God. Let every breath, every heartbeat, every action, every speech, every word, every object, every person in your life show up to you as God, because now you are showing up as God. And it's time to do that. Wonderful. So it's my mom's birthday. So we'll just, it's my, she passed away last year actually. So I'm just, one of the first birthdays is actually the second that we are not in with her physical presence. So I miss her a lot. I love her a lot, and she has guided and helped me all my life. And I just want to offer this gratitude, this love, and also see that love, whether I label it mom, or I label it you, that is the same. It is the same. It is so the same. And so thank you very much for being here today. And wonderful. Anything anyone wants to say before we close? हाँ बोलिए अपरिजिता जी, कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? All is well. All is well बोला आपने. All is well. हाँ. होठ घुमाओ, सीटी बजाओ, सीटी बजा के बोल भैया all is well. मुर्गी क्या जाने अंडे का क्या होगा, लाइफ मिलेगी या तवे पे फ्राई होगा, कोई न जाने अपना फ्यूचर क्या होगा, तो होठ घुमा, सीटी बजा के बोल भैया all is well. हाँ हाँ क्या बोल रहे हैं पुरुषोत्तम जी?
मुझे शेयर कर रहा था कुछ. आवाज आ रही मेरी?
या हाँ बोलिए बोलिए.
आपके तरीके, योर
हाँ
वेज,
हाँ बिल्कुल.
योर वेज और योर वेज. वाओ, ये सिंपल लाइन, वी आर मूविंग टुवर्ड्स गॉड, नो वी वांट टू मूव इन गॉड.
करेक्ट.
कितनी देर भी सोचता रहो तो उसके लिए वो पूरा दिन निकल जाए तो भी एक सेंटेंस मंत्र के जैसा है.
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली.
और ये जीरो वाला जो आपने एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया ना,
हाँ
नोबडी ने सागा डिटैचमेंट आगा सारा ऐसे स्वाद आया उसमें. एक जीरो आपने इधर से इधर कर दिया तो बहुत ही वंडरफुल, बहुत वंडरफुल.
करेक्ट.
मतलब आपका एक एक वर्ड मुझे मेडिटेशन में लेके जाता है. एक एक वर्ड मुझे आंखें खोल के सुनने की इच्छा नहीं थी, आपको आंखें बंद करके सुनने की इच्छा है. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Welcome. And it is not mine. None of these words, none of these ideas, none of these thoughts are mine as such. Because who is this mine? Who is going to claim it? Who is there to claim it?
Yes.
I can't find that one who can put that claim. तो कहाँ से आ रहा है ये? So it's all that, and it's one, and that one which can possibly stake that claim is the same one as your consciousness and your awareness. तो अलग one, मेरा one अलग, आपका one अलग, ऐसा नहीं है. It is that same one everywhere for everyone. Beautiful. Thank you.
But I would like to say one thing.
Sure.
आपकी आवाज बहुत अच्छी है. आप गा रहे थे ना, it was really beautiful. You should try that one thing in the singing because we can't sing.
ऐसे नहीं गाते भी है. Nupur ji, Nupur sings very well, and Jennifer Ma also sings very well. I haven't heard Purushottam ji, but probably. And I'll tell you one thing also, Vidhi ji, that I'm sure you also sing well. If you know, because the real beauty of the song is in what is being felt. It is not in the sur and the tal and all. That's only half the story, or even less than half. So what you feel when that is pure, then the song just is beautiful. So don't sell yourself short. You may be also a great singer for all you know. And you are, in fact.
Abhi sun ke, matlab, what I felt, I enjoyed, I just wanted to express.
Yes,
I know, no, I agree with you. I agree with you that music and the way that can communicate is, and I'm lucky to have been, have this instrument with this particular qualities. So yeah, and so you can go to my channel. I have some songs also there, a song that I had composed on this COVID situation. So just go to youtube.com/C for channel /Sanjeev Shah.
Sanjeev ji,
Yeah.
they were asking if you could have a WhatsApp group.
Yeah, why not? Why not? Let's.
If everybody could type out your phone numbers, please.
Yeah,
the
yeah.
chat, then maybe we can have a group.
Yeah, sure, sure. Why not? That way we can, I can post the channel and whatever announcements, questions.
Yeah.
Also,
So please put your numbers in the chat box, and we can have a group.
yeah, that'll be great.
Would you like to have a
Um,
group, Sanjay ji? Would you
Sure,
like to
sure,
have a
sure. No, it'll.
Fine.
Yes, yes. Let's do that.
So Aparijita Das, we require your number also.
आपका नंबर, हाँ, सब सब अपना अपना हीरा जी नंबर दीजिए और ग्रुप में आप अपने क्वेश्चंस भी पोस्ट कीजिए या फिर ये जब मिलते हैं तब bring your questions because the questions are sometimes more important than the answers. What are the questions you are asking yourself? What are you asking yourself? Because that is the indication of the growth of the moving in, because as the more you move in, the more revelation happens, the more the curiosity and the more, because it's an infinite mystery. Whoever thinks that पहुंच गए अभी कुछ सब पता है, very unlikely, because infinite है ये, infinite. You could spend million lifetimes and still be only scratching the surface. So if we think कि हमारे पास कोई सवाल ही नहीं रहे, then you have to really ask yourself another question.
पहेलियां are never ending, or your riddles are never ending, always question after question after
question after question after
oh my
question.
goodness, how much your question. And I wonder, again another question and again another question. So when you
Easily.
started today and you
Huh.
were speaking about that person who was trying to find out who the master was,
Correct.
a question came into my mind.
Great. Yeah. I love questions.
I have my Geeta ji ka class right now.
अच्छा, हाँ, तो कर
I'll ask this one.
question.
Yeah, thank you.
Sure. Wonderful. We'll form the group today.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
Shri
you.
Pravaji,
Thank
Hira
you,
ji,
thank you, thank you.
Purushottam ji. Okay,
Meera,
everyone.
can you put your phone number?
Is she still there? I hope.
I have to leave, Sanjeev ji.
Yeah.
Haan, go ahead.
Yeah, same
Go
here,
ahead.
same here. Bye,
Yeah, yeah.
bye,
Thank
bye,
you.
Bye,
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 bye.
Bye, everyone.
bye,
Bye, everyone.
bye, bye.
Master, you have to bless, remember.
Yeah, I know that. That victim thing we were saying, right? Yeah. Name of that girl is what?
I've sent you all the details.
Okay, fine. Good.
Okay.
Bye,
Bye,
good
bye.
night,
Good night.
Bye.
Good night. See you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Good night.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.